Hey there, ocean lovers. Today I'm diving deep into the mesmerizing world of coral reefs. Ever wondered how these underwater cities come to life? Buckle up, because we're about to explore the fascinating formation of coral reefs and their crucial role in marine ecosystems. So, how are coral reefs formed? It all starts with tiny creatures called coral polyps. These little guys are like the architects of the ocean. They secrete calcium carbonate, which gradually builds up to form a hard skeleton. You can think of this skeleton as the foundation of a coral reef. Now here's where it gets really cool. Coral polyps live in colonies, connecting with each other to create massive structures. Over thousands of years, these colonies grow and expand, forming some of the most impressive natural structures on Earth. We're talking about the Great Barrier Reef, which is so big it can be seen from space. But wait, there's more. Coral reefs aren't just pretty to look at. They play a vital role in marine ecosystems. First off, they provide a habitat for a quarter of all marine species. That's right, 1 in 4 marine creatures depend on coral reefs for shelter, food, or breeding grounds. Think of them as the bustling metropolises of the underwater world. Coral reefs also act as natural barriers, protecting coastlines from erosion and storm surges. Without them, many coastal communities would be at a higher risk of flooding and damage. Plus, they contribute to local economies through tourism and fishing industries. Imagine all the scuba diving tours and snorkeling adventures that wouldn't be possible without these vibrant ecosystems. But here's the kicker. Coral reefs are incredibly fragile. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing are putting them in serious danger. Rising sea temperatures cause coral bleaching, where corals lose their color and eventually their life. It's like watching an entire ecosystem fade away. So what can we do to help? Simple actions like reducing plastic use, supporting sustainable seafood choices, and spreading awareness can make a big difference. Every little bit helps in preserving these underwater wonders for future generations. Alright, ocean enthusiasts, that's a wrap on the amazing formation of coral reefs. I hope you found this dive into the underwater world as fascinating as I did. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more ocean adventures, and share it with your friends. Let's keep spreading the love for our oceans. Until next time, keep exploring.